The soup is so delicious. Minu, you want to try this?
नहीं, मुझे नहीं पीना।
क्यों? क्या हो गया?
पिछले वीडियो में तो आपने बोला था कि कार्ड कैसे डाउनलोड करना है, लेकिन उन्होंने तो मेरा क्लेम ही रिजेक्ट कर दिया।
क्यों? कैसे?
शायद मैंने कोई गाइडलाइंस, टाइमलाइन या प्रोसीजर फॉलो नहीं किए होंगे।
क्या आपके साथ भी यही हुआ है? क्या आपका भी क्लेम रिजेक्ट हो गया है? But I don't want my viewers claim to get rejected. So, if you are in need of IBA backed health insurance scheme, then you have two options. Either you can go for cashless facility or you can go for reimbursement. Now, if you are going for reimbursements, then there are certain time limits and procedures that needs to be followed upon so that your claim doesn't get rejected. So what are those procedures जानेंगे इस वीडियो में. So as and when you get hospitalized and your treatment starts or your surgery starts, first immediately you have to inform to your TPA. Now that information can be through email or through telephonic, whichever way you are comfortable. Now second part is, now once you have got the discharge from your hospital, you need to follow those procedures that we have just now spoken about. What are those procedures? We'll start that. But before that, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. Also, do not forget to give a like for this video, because this small initiative of your subscription will help me and my team to bring more such valuable and beautiful contents for you all. Okay, so without any further delay, let us start with those procedures. First, claim form duly filled in all respects provided by IRDA, clearly mentioning the amount claimed, policy number, card number, name of the hospital, date of admission and discharge, contact number, mail ID, and signature. These has to be filled in very properly, because these fields are mandatory. Second, original discharge summary that needs to be duly signed and stamped by your treating doctor needs to be submitted. Third, original final bill with a detailed breakup under different heads. All investigation reports in original with reports and films. All receipts in original for the claim amount for which the claim has been lodged. In case of surgery where implant has been used, stickers and invoice of the implant needs to be submitted. In case claimed amount is more than 2 lakhs, IPD means indoor patient sheet or oblique OT notes, FIR, MLC copy in case of injury or RTA. In case of part settlement, all photocopy documents by first claim processing TPA duly signed and stamped by the concerned authority, claim settlement voucher, and complete breakup details of deductions. Next, in case original documents are lost, the photocopy document should be submitted, which should be duly attested by nodal officer of the bank along with notary attested affidavit on rupees 100 rupees per stamp paper. In case of demise of proper, that is main insured, succession certificate is required. Now, all bills or receipts for purchase of medicine upon which a claim is made shall bear the valid GST number of the issue of such bills, receipts, etc., or declaration with sign and stamp of pharmacy if exempted, verified by nodal officer of the concern. Now, all reports should duly sign and stamp by MD pathologist, registration certificate of the treating facility, hospital on case-to-case basis, PAN card copy of proposer in case of claims above 1 lakh, for self-bank ID card, Aadhaar card, and any one of the KYC documents for dependents and addition of a new baby. Cancelled check bearing the name of proposer. If cancelled check is not bearing the name of the proposer, photocopy of first page of the passbook showing the account details of proper unless proposer, unless the details of insured provided by the nodal officer as one-time exercise. So these are some of the basic mandatory things that needs to be followed upon so that your claim doesn't get rejected. So that's all for today's video. Again, if you have not watched our earlier video on the topic of how to download the e-card, please go and watch that video. You can see it on the screen. Also, we have given the description on the link. Also, if you want more such valuable contents on this topic, please do comment on this. We'll definitely try to make such videos. Thank you for watching the video. Rahul Srivastav signing off.